Okay guys, Shabir's back in the Paleo Garage here. Thanks for coming out.
My pleasure, thanks for having me.
Yeah man, we're hungry and we're gonna get some dinner going. So I've got some bison. We cooked that together last time we were together. Shabir and I on the site. It was
Thai bison stroganoff.
yeah, it was good.
Delicious.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a bison stuffed sweet potato. So get your knives sharpened up, get your pans preheated. It's gonna be dinner for two for me and Shabu. Okay guys, we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna start by cutting the sweet potatoes. These are just pre-cooked yams or sweet potatoes in half, like that. I've got a 10-inch non-stick saute pan over here. Just gonna give that a little oil. Throw just a little bit of salt and pepper on the surface of these guys. And then we'll go flesh side down in that oil. And they're kind of small, right? These are a little bit tiny, so that's why I'm doing 3 of them. If you have a bigger potato, just do 1 per person, okay? We've got a pound of bison to go with that. And yes, Shabir, go ahead if you want to start smashing those guys and then chopping up the garlic. And I'm gonna season the bison top here with salt and pepper. Then what I'll do, just for sake of time, I'm gonna get this going on one side of the pan and I'll save the other side of the pan for that garlic. As soon as it's in, we'll hit the top side, salt and pepper. Boom, one more.
What's up, okay?
Oh, dude! Loving it, Shabir. Looking good, buddy. How many cloves did you say that was?
I think it was 6.
6 cloves? 6 cloves. We like garlic here. We love garlic. Go ahead with a small dice on the onion. Mixing in the garlic there, you guys, just prevent it from toasting up. As soon as he gets the onion in there, we'll throw that in, and that'll do the same thing. Bring in some moisture so that we don't overcook it. If you look right in here, it's kind of getting a little bit dark. Not always good to see that stuff. Okay guys, we'll take a look at our sweet potatoes. All right, so just gonna let them cook there. I'll take another saute pan and just invert it like that. Kind of trap in some of that moisture and heat it from the top side as well. All right, I'll grab it if you want to pull out a couple of those guys.
Sure. You want to top these too?
Yeah. A little bit more salt. Oh yeah, buddy. Little heat, how hot are they?
Medium hot.
Medium hot, how many Scoville units you think? I'm just kidding.
These are low, these are about 8,000.
8,000, okay. I was gonna say 5,000 or 6,000. I'm just gonna add 2 Chipotles. A little bit of adobo. Boom. Gonna break that up. Okay guys, we're gonna get into the avocado here. We're just gonna go around the perimeter, looking pretty good there. You wanna pull the pit out? And then, what do you want to do? Should we dice it or slice it?
Dice it.
Dice it. Give us a good dice. All right, I'm cutting the heat here. Cutting the heat here. See how our, oh, mama. So you're gonna make this or what?
I'm gonna make this.
Yeah, go ahead and spoon that out. Should be right on top. Oh, beautiful. All right, guys, and kind of the final step of the garnish is like, what I used to say, one time I did a presentation for my communications class, the University of Alaska Anchorage, and I said, as a painter frames a painting, we will now plate our dinner.
Nice.
Huh? And what would it look like if you went to the museum and on all the frames they had a bunch of gooey, nasty stuff swiped on there?
Not so good.
Don't look that great, right? So always wipe the rim. Boom, get in there, nice and clean. And then, what are you thinking? Maybe a little mayo drizzle on the top?
Is your Paleo mayo? Yeah.
Okay. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna run grab my mayo out of the fridge. Okay, guys, we're back. I got my mayo was just about out, so what I did is I just added a little bit of hot water to it. I'm shaking it up, keep the emulsification, and then we'll just give her a nice little thin drizzle on top. It almost looks like cream, right? And that's about it, you know? It's not popping with color or anything like that, but it's definitely bursting with flavor.
Definitely.
What do we have? Do you remember what this is called? Give it a name, Shabir.
Okay, it's bison, sweet potato, avocado, chipotle, roasted poblano,
mayo.
Mayo.
Nice.
Beautiful plate.
Beautiful plate. I love it, dude. It's kind of like a run-on sentence, but it's beautiful. So, I'm excited to eat, you guys. This took maybe 10 minutes?
Maybe.
10 minutes tops. So as long as you have a couple things prepared and some groceries in the fridge, You can always throw something together quick when you're a culinary ninja. I'm Paleo Nick. We got Shabu in the house, and we're just doing what we can to help you guys keep it paleo.